Most people quit ChatGPT because of one mistake. So in the next few minutes, I'll show you 5 biggest ChatGPT mistakes and how to fix them instantly. And by the end of this video, you will never make these mistakes again. You will know how to write prompts that works, get accurate answer, and save tons of time. So let's jump straight in. So before we begin, let's first of all look at this, right? Here's a quick checklist we are going to follow, and I'll also put it in the video description. Now, first of all, number 1 is vague prompt, right? Number 2, trusting everything ChatGPT says. Number 3, not interacting or refining prompts. Number 4, ignoring context. Number 5, not using ChatGPT for action, right? These are 5 biggest mistakes we are going to treat on this video, right? So let's start with number 1, vague prompt, right? Number 1 mistake is writing vague prompts, right? Beginners often write something like, write me an essay. Now, when it comes to ChatGPT can read mind. It needs details, right? So let's fix it. Instead, write something like this. Write a 500-word essay about how AI is transforming small businesses, including example, and use friendly tone. Did you notice the difference? You will get much better results. So try writing one of your prompts in the comment section and I will tell you if it is good. Number 2, rewriting everything ChatGPT says. Another mistake is taking ChatGPT's answer as 100% correct. AI can make up facts or give you outdated information. So for you to fix this, always double check and make your prompt sound like this: sources, or only give verifiable information from 2023 onward. This saves you from embarrassing mistake. Number 3, not interacting or refining prompts. Most beginners stop after the first answer, but ChatGPT improves with interaction. Ask follow-ups, refine, or request alternative answers. For example, rewrite this in a more persuasive tone. Give me 3 alternatives. These tricks gets professional level output. Number 4, ignoring context. If you start new prompt without context, ChatGPT forgets the important info from the previous chat. So always include context in each prompt or use the continue previous answer feature. You will save time explaining everything from scratch. Number 5, not using ChatGPT for action. Many beginners only ask questions instead of letting ChatGPT do the real work, like drafting emails, making study notes, or generating business idea. Think of ChatGPT as your AI assistant, not just a question and answer tool. Give it tasks and watch it handle them efficiently. Avoid these 5 mistakes and you will save hours, get better results, and start using ChatGPT like a pro. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on your notification button to see more videos like this. Peace and love.